Meaning of hermetically.
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 Hermetically. The word hermetically refers to something that is completely sealed off or airtight. When an object or container is hermetically sealed, it means that there is no way for any air or moisture to enter or exit. This level of sealing is often achieved through the use of specialized materials and techniques. Hermetic sealing is commonly used in the packaging of food, medications, and sensitive electronic components. This degree of airtightness helps to preserve the products and extend their shelf life. Overall, hermetically sealed containers are critical for preventing contamination and ensuring product safety.